In this short video, we are going to take a look at the basics of using PowerPoint to create engaging presentations for learners. By the end of this video, you will be able to navigate the PowerPoint workspace, add text, images, shapes, and videos, and finally present to an audience. We are starting with the Island Health PowerPoint template, which you can access from the Island Health intranet by searching for templates and then clicking on PowerPoint presentations. The basic structure of the PowerPoint workspace includes three main parts: the slide editor, where you can add text, images, graphics, and videos. The slide thumbnail view lets you add, delete, duplicate, or hide slides by right-clicking on a slide. And finally, tabs and ribbons. Each tab, whether it is Home, Insert, Design, or Transitions, opens its own ribbon. Let's start with the tabs and ribbons and the Home tab. Most of what you need is on the Home tab. This is where you can add new slides or change fonts or font color. The Insert tab is where you can insert a picture, tables, screen clippings, shapes, audio, video, screen recordings, and text boxes. Let's start with adding a text box and changing the font and color of the text. Click on the Insert tab and then Text box. Click on the screen, drag and release where you want the box to show up. You can change the size and shape of the box by clicking and dragging the corners. Click in the text box to start typing. To change the font color, click on the Home tab, select the text, and then choose a different font color. To change the font style or font size, click on the drop-down menus to select what you want. To add a photo, click on the Insert tab. Click Pictures to choose a picture on your desktop or online pictures to select one from the internet. If you select the box next to Creative Commons, you will get only license-free images. When you have found the image you want, select it and click Insert. You can then drag the corners of the image to resize it. To insert a screenshot, click on the Insert tab and then Screenshot, and then select Screen Clipping. Click and drag the selection you want to insert. To insert a video, click on the Insert tab and then Video. You can either upload a video from your computer or embed an online video. To embed a video from YouTube, use the search function to find what you want or insert a specific URL. The Design tab is where you can customize the look of your presentation, including changing the slide size to either standard or widescreen. The Transitions tab allows you to change how one slide transitions to the next. For example, you can choose Fade or Cut. The Animations tab is where you can animate objects in your presentation like images and text. To add an animation, click on the object and then select the effect you want. Sometimes you might want text on your slide to appear one line at a time with a click of your mouse. To do this, click on the text box, select the effect, and then click on Effect Options to make sure it is on by paragraph. If it is set to as one object, all of the text will appear at the same time. You can also change the order of your animations by clicking on the animation pane. We are going to cover this more in the next video, but for now, Know that you can choose when objects are animated in relation to each other. The Slideshow tab has options to customize your presentation. You can choose to present from the beginning or from the current slide. The monitor drop-down is where you can select the monitor you are presenting on if you have multiple monitors. The Review tab is used if you want to leave comments on your slides, or if you want others to review and leave comments. To add a new comment on a slide, click New Comment. Others can respond to your comments here as well. The last tab that you have is View. This tab gives you the option to change the view of the slides and make handouts from them, among other things. There are a lot of advanced features on this tab that we are not going to cover. One thing you may use is the Slide Master. If you click on Slide Master, you can make changes to the template you are using. Thank you for taking the time to view PowerPoint Basics. To learn more, check out the PowerPoint Advanced video.